It's a new 2018 Chevrolet Colorado. As refined as it is rugged, this truck is ready for the job site, campsite, or city lights. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, front heated bucket seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, V6 engine, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports it has the size, the features, and the looks necessary to become the dominant truck in the compact class. Just don't mistake it for a midsize. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.